Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to set up an automation so that you can get a notification whenever someone watches your video. Okay, so let me make myself smaller here, and as you can see, I'm sending in the Agentic Workflows section of my account. So what we'll do is set up a new automation here, and we'll use as a trigger Sendspark itself. We'll select an event, and then we'll see, new video created, a bunch of events. But now we just need to see something like we need to select this one, like new video watched, and then you'll see that it says 100% of the video was watched from one specific dynamic video campaign, and then we have another that says from any dynamic video campaign. Of course, in our case, we want to use this one. So yeah, I'll go ahead and select that option. You can see that we have many options, so you can set up, different type of notifications. Okay, so I'll go ahead and select my account here, and then I'll be able to select which dynamic campaign I want to go for. Okay, so I'll just click on update list, and then I would just a moment for everything to load. We have a lot of campaigns, so this might take just a few seconds. There we go. Okay, so then what we can do is just simply go ahead and select the campaign that we want. I'll click on save, and then I'll go for add an action. And in this case, there are many options that you can go for. Like you can go ahead and select Slack. You can get, an email actually. And this is the option that I'll go for. But again, you have many different ways. Just go ahead and explore, the app that you want to use. But that way you can get a notification through the app that you want. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and select the send an email. I have my Gmail account connected already. Okay, and now what I'll put is right here. I can just hard type my email. Okay, and then it says from ID. Well, it'll just come from myself. That's fine. Email format is more than fine. We can just go for text because we're not adding any information whatsoever. And then when we have the email body, this is basically the section where we actually write what will come to us, right? So what I'll do is something like the video for, and then I'll expand this section, and I can either, look for the contact email or the first name, maybe first name here. So the video for John, um, under email, and then I'll put contact email, has been played. Okay. And then I can just put here something like notifications for campaign X, right? So you can just put the name right there. Okay. So that's basically all. You can just go ahead and save that and start that right away. So whenever, again, someone watches your video or whatever the action is that you selected, you'll get a notification very easily. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.